Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So now today I am going to show you the location where you can put your one tap OT crack CFGs. So if you don't know the place where you can put the CFGs, so keep watching this video till end. So I'm going to show you. So let's start. First of all, you have to inject the DLL file of OT crack. So I'm going to show you how to inject the OT crack DLL. So let's see. This is the Kind Premium injector. If you don't have, so I'm going to put the link of my Discord in the description. Where you can get this injector, and you can also get the premium CFGs. So just I will open it, and you can see select cheap. So this is the DLL file, one tap fixed. So inject it successfully, and close this file, and you can see this inject DLL file has been injected, and just close it, and now go to the folder where you can copy the CFGs, all of the CFGs of OT crack, and just open the Steam folder, library folder, Steam apps, common, and Counter-Strike Global Offense main folder. This is the main folder of the Counter-Strike Global Offense. Here you can put those CFGs of OT crack. You can see this is the CFGs I just pasted, and now let's see. This is the place, config place, you can see on OT crack menu. So this select config. So this is the place where you can select your CFGs which you want to like. If you click on this default and you cannot see the CFGs, just don't worry, just refresh this, and you can see all of those CFGs here. And now I'm going to load this CFG, one of this. So you can see the color has been changed, and now the CFG is loaded. After this, you can see other CFG also loaded, and this is the thing I just want to tell you. This is the simple thing which you don't know, and I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you want to get this type of videos regularly. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.